Welcome everyone. MB Wilkin over here. There's so much going on. I thought I'm gonna do a quick vid for you guys. A real quick vid. So it's quick. And if you want to make it even quicker, just put it on 1.25 speed or 1.5 even. I'm gonna try to speak very fast. So this vid, I don't want to make it longer than 10 minutes. Okay, let's jump in. S&P. I already shared yesterday over here that I was expecting red candles. Well, those red candles are here. We've got some people commenting on my tweet. I tweeted about the S&P. The S&P red candles are coming, and red candles is what we are seeing here. And they're talking about, yeah, but there is a green candle on Bitcoin. Yeah, but I didn't tell you there are coming red candles on Bitcoin. I told you there are coming red candles on the S&P, and those came. I don't do a lot of prediction, but when I do a prediction, it means that I'm very confident about myself, and out of the 10 times I'm right. I'm no oracle. I don't have a crystal ball, so it's just based on pure experience and TA. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Guys, this is just FOMO. There is just one big FOMO. There's just FOMO going on in crypto, and they don't care about the S&P or markets or dollar. They're just pumping. This is just pumping. This is pure FOMO. And what I know about FOMO is this: is those guys that are longing this, they will short it. They will. The guys that are longing this, they also short this. This is what they do. So over here they show strength on Bitcoin that is going up, and on the downside they are the same people that will short the shit out of this and dump it down. And it's you have to be skilled to either just trade the indicator and follow these pumps and just go along and take the damn profits on everything. So every moment that you can take profits, or if you are very bullish with them, just hire up your stop loss and trade the indicator and just let it run. But this is madness. There is really a lot of FOMO going on. But this FOMO, believe me guys, this pump that we had like this is not healthy. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise, because I've seen these pumps a lot of times, and the bigger the pumps, the bigger the dumps. It's just how it is. So are we in a bull market? No, we're not in a bull market. Just to answer to one of the followers that was not understanding that very well. The dollar, well, the dollar hit resistance over here, so perfectly get rejected. That's also the reason why we're seeing a little bit of Bitcoin movement. What did I wanted to share? Yes, that was the VIX. Yeah, the VIX, it's pumping, and it's breaking out of that wedge that I shared already. And well, let's see how high this thing can come up. And this will also bring the S&P down. But on Bitcoin, guys, this is just FOMO. This thing is just keeps running and going, and it's very difficult and hard to trade for any technical analyst to trade this, because there's a lot of FOMO going on here and a lot of greed, and new people are coming into crypto and they're all pumping, etc. So guys, again, this is just FOMO. And FOMO, how can you trade it? I trade FOMO with my FOMO indicator. I put it on, I look at the strength, I look at the volume, I look at everything, and I just put money in, and I hire up my stop loss and let it run. I also share the ICP chart. Let me do it very quick because it broke out, and this is one of the coins that I shared. I already almost hit my target over here. So this double bottom, and it's running, and this is also, I shared my top 3 altcoins: GRT, ICP, and FAL, and they're all three, they're doing like crazy. So about my choice about the 3 altcoins, you can check it on YouTube. Check it, my 3 altcoins, check that vid. And well, the guys that agreed with me and took the trade or bought these 3 coins, there are huge gains, because these things just went up. Okay, but let me go to the Twitter thing very fast, guys. This news just hit in. It's really madness, this news. Just in Binance to consider delisting all US based cryptocurrencies. I think that ICP is one of those. ICP is also one of those. Well, guys, this is bad. This is really so bad. This is, if you're holding any coins from the States, Binance is the market leader, guys. There are other, we've got Coinbase, we've got BitGet, we've got Kraken, we've got a lot of others. But guys, Binance is the market leader, and Binance holds a lot of liquidity. The moment that they start delisting all these coins, this could have a very big impact on altcoins. You guys have been warned. I'm not going to say much more about that. Let me go on. What do we have? This was the ICP thing. Yeah, nothing. Well, yeah, I hope that you guys opened this one, because this is madness also. Just in. Guys, the credit cards debts are hitting almost 990 billion. Guys, this is madness. This is madness. The economy is really so freaked up. What could possibly go wrong? Well, nothing can go wrong here. Just keep pumping the bubble. Just keep nothing. So let me go on. Crypto Man, yeah, Crypto Man, we've seen because he had a Twitter Spaces and he invited me to that. And let me just say, guys, soon you guys will see me jumping into debate Ran, and because the guy is a very optimistic guy, and well, I'm not going to say much about it, but you guys will see me on the Banter show or on his Twitter Spaces, and we'll debate Ran. Let me see the S&P. Okay, this was about that one. What is this one? Well, this was the layoffs, guys. Layoffs. Guys, just look at this. The biggest companies in the world are sometimes I think, am I living in some island or something? Guys, the economy is looking very, very, very bad, and Bitcoin might pump, and that pump is that meaning that we have it. Let's talk about it, because this is Mr. Bitboy. He said on his show yesterday that we are that Bitcoin is not correct. Well, let me give it to Bitboy. Bitboy, bro, you do a fantastic job in your researches. You do a fantastic job in your fundamentals, but bro, please, everything about macro analysis, etc. Go to your team that does the TA. Please, bro, you don't have a clue what you're saying. You're just saying something on your show, and about your cycles. Yes, they are correlated to the the cycles before, and yes, we've got correlations from 2019 and from now, and we have the halving, and we've got the dumps and the pumps before the halving, and then we go up, and then the FOMO hits in, and then we'll run up. Yes, for sure, but these are the facts. This is how Bitcoin and the S&P and the DXY and the VIX are correlated to each other. It's very clear. Over here, S&P goes up, Bitcoin goes up. VIX comes down, dollar comes down. These are facts, bro. So I don't know what you're talking on your shows. They're not correlated. Well, I'm not even going to bother to argue with you, because this is just clear and you're just doing whatever. Okay, the VIX. Well, the VIX, I was doing my macro analysis, and I saw this one. This is really, guys, you have to understand the VIX. For the guys that don't understand what VIX is incorrelated to the S&P. So if people are afraid that markets come down, they can invest in the VIX. So it's like a hedge. And look at it. So these cycles, we've got higher lows, meaning that people are getting more afraid and more afraid and more afraid and more afraid of the markets. So, and what do? They start invest. So this level is very important to eye, because if we make a lower low from here, or lower than this range, well, this means that people are just done with hedging, and they are just going 100% full mode, buying stocks and risky assets, and they don't care about money anymore. But as long as this thing is holding, and suppose that we would bounce from here like we did all the previous, that we get something like this or this or this or even this will hurt the S&P very, very bad. And that's also what we need if we want to make a nice bull run on crypto the coming months. So I hope that this thing is going to work out. Okay, guys, it's enough for today. Have a nice one, and I've managed to make it in 9 minutes. Okay, so bye bye, guys. Bye bye.